Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today's video is in collaboration with Zula. Today I will be reviewing this lemon lime squeezer. So let's see what this lemon lime squeezer can do. And Dishwasher Safe. It is shaped like an ice cream scoop with two distinct colors. The yellow cup is striated, which helps me to squeeze my lime. I love that it has two distinct colors. The green represents lime and the yellow represents lemon. The back of the lime cup has draining holes to retain the pulp and the seeds, and also it's striated bigger, and it also has draining holes to retain the pulp and the seeds. The lemon lime squeezer is very convenient for me, whether I want to use a lemon or a lime. One of the things that I use my lime squeezer is for my seafood. I get a larger amount of lime juice when I use my lemon lime squeezer. This is what it's strained from half of a lime. Now I can make my favorite lemonade, and I no longer have to scoop out the seeds and the pulp. I also use it to add a squeeze of lemon juice into my mint tea. I love that this lemon lime squeezer is a 2-in-1 gadget. It is very convenient for me, and it retains the pulp and the seeds of my lemon and my limes. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.